Let's quickly wind up the view part of the ribbon. The first option allows you to view your sheet differently. We have already explored these views in our page layout section as well. Page layout shows you how the document will look when it is printed, if it has any headers or footers, while page break shows how much data will fit on a single page. While working with a dashboard, we can go ahead and hide formula, bar, grid lines, header, and ribbon as well. This gives our dashboard a clean look. I absolutely love the zoom in and zoom out commands. It allows us to focus on the cells we are working with. We can use the shortcut Ctrl Alt plus to zoom in and Ctrl Alt minus to zoom out. New Windows allows you to create another window of the same document you are working on.
This means if you have multiple screens, you can modify the same worksheet on different monitor at the same time.
The changes that you make at one document will be automatically replicated to the other one as well. If you have multiple screens or you use tab a lot, this is a great feature. I remember I had 3 monitors and the work efficiency was at a different level back then. We can arrange the windows next to each other if we want to work on a single monitor simultaneously.
Notice how I'm writing on the right hand sheet and it is automatically getting updated on the left hand sheet as well.
And the most important one, which is freeze panes. When we have huge amount of rows and columns, at times we scroll down and forget which column has this value, and then we have to go back at the top to confirm. Well, freeze pane will help you solve that problem. You can freeze the top row or top column, and now whenever you scroll down, you do not have any problem. I hope now that you understand view ribbon a little more, you will be able to use it a little more efficiently.